All right, Professor here. Now, we have this musky head that I'm working on. Now, I've got it all taped up. That's how I do it. I tape the pieces that have to go into it together. And then I'm able to take the liquid glue, hopefully put it where I want it. And I want it. There you go. And let it run down the ridge. There you go. I'm letting it run down that ridge. And it's going to bond that together nicely. This stuff can go all over the place if you're not careful with it. Yeah. There we go. Now let's go to the front. The side. There's another piece that I gotta get it. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I had to try. There you go. Lift it in there. And roll it around. The front's ready to be done. A little bit harder. There we go. Gluing together. They're gluing me together. Now, I'm not going to get at this top one, so I'm going to have to remove this. Now, if you see smoke coming out, that's his glue working. I see the glue came through actually there. You can see it, and it glues the tape, so we know we got that. This here has to together there. Put some glue in there, and then we'll hold that together. Like that. Kicker. I'm gonna call it kicker. You hear anybody else calling it kicker? It's because they watch my videos. Because it used to be called kicker when I was a kid, when I worked at the hobby shop. It was actually the brand that you sprayed on. It's called kicker. So we got everything all glued up. This one's hard to get at, this one. There you go. Now, I can show it to you. There you go. Check that out. Now there's a piece of tape still inside there. You got to reach in. Oh, those teeth are sharp. Man. Oh, I'm feeling glue. I got glue. Ah, fingers are stuck together. Oh, okay. Got them. Oh, finger stuck to the top. Oh, all right. That happens. This stuff is really good, but really crazy. I know they don't call it crazy glue, but it is crazy. Now I should hit that with some kickers so that I can actually reach in there and grab that piece of tape and anything else that's gone crazy inside. Okay, let's reach back in. Oh, there. Okay, where are we here? Where's that piece of tape? I guess we'll have to get that one out later. Oh, maybe I'll do it. I can see it there. Or can I reach it? Nope. I'll have to get that later. Anyway, there it is. From all angles. Kind of looks prehistoric, doesn't it? Oh, before I go, yeah, for this one for now, I'm going to do more on this video, but this here is going to be put in the back. This is going to be put in there. I don't know if you can see that from the angles here. And so that's how it's going to hang on the wall. All right. See this here. I'm going to put this right in the center as far as I can get it. There we go. Now let's cut that out. Yep. Now, never tried hot glue gun on this stuff before. This will be a first. Fast. Alrighty. We'll see how that works. Still hot. I got a feeling it's going to work pretty good. I'll take that little tab off there. Normally I silicone it, but I'm going to try something different. Okay, so that means now we can put it on a hanger. And we can hang it on a wall. Put it on here. You can see that with everything. Put it on. There you go. Or you can change this. You can put the corner one on, which I really like. Now, if I was putting it on the wall with the other hanger that I just had on it, I put a shorter piece of pipe in. This one here, I would have to have this long to actually be able to. Actually, it would have to be longer. You can see that there. It'd have to be a little bit longer, probably, or close to it. Slide into the corner and maybe a corner mount. So there you go. All right, let's put in the eyes. Move them around till you find the spot you like. You can move over like that. All right, now we're going to put some putty on this. I usually use my finger for certain spots. Cross over, highest ridge. Don't worry about covering the eye. Scrape that out over. Since most of it'll all come off. I don't worry about it too much. Write it on like that. That. Always start from the one side over top. Takes the ledge out. And if you have to give it another coat after, that's fine. Hi, Mrs. Vincer. Got my juice. Thank
It's a
you.
little warmer than normal.
A little warmer. Oh. Thank you. Mrs. Minster brought me my lemon juice. I hate the taste of just water. It's got to have something in it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.